Hello everyone, in this video we'll look into a quick comparison between Relevance AI versus N8n. So, Relevance AI here is actually a platform for building and managing AI agents and multi-agent systems, so often called like AI workflows. So it offers like a visual low code or literally no code tools to build agents, drag and drop builders, all with natural language instructions and integrations where you can just type in your instructions. Okay, it's good for tasks like automating support, sales, research, or embedding AI into workflows, so research and working with vendor embedding and all those things. Whereas N8n here is actually a workflow automation platform, traditionally more workflows or task or process automation. That's what it is for, but it's also increasingly like integrating AI agent type features as well. It offers more than 400 plus integrations like apps and services, and also visual workflow builder, like same thing, you just drag and drop. And you can also host yourself, you can do like self host as well. Okay, it's actually a support, it's a mix of no code with custom code when needed. So the main difference between these two platforms is that the Relevance AI, it's actually an AI agent based, okay, it's AI heavy workflow, whereas the N8n is actually a general workflow automation connecting systems and data pipelines. So which is best? I would say like you can use Relevance AI if you want to deploy and orchestrate AI agents that act somewhat autonomously to do tasks, like example like sales outreach or a support or research or even content generation without like building a full backend. And you want like a strong support for semantic search or vector embeddings, and your team is semi-technical or non-technical, and you don't want to manage like infrastructure, you prefer like a cloud hosted approach, on all these cases go for Relevance AI. But you can use N8n if you need like high flexibility or custom integration or custom logic. You want to connect many disparate systems and you're concerned more about data privacy, compliance and things, and you have internal technical resources like developers and engineers who can build customized workflows and debug and all those things. In that case, then if you don't like need any heavy AI agent or AI agent orchestration features, or you are okay to integrate like AI parts yourself, in if that's the case scenario, then you can simply use N8n in that case. So hope this video helps.